Hi Ikra, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Hi, Rajeshri.
Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you so much for spending time. And today is a Labor Day here, and thankfully that's a it's a
Good.
long weekend, and I'm very happy that you're able to spend few minutes with us. And then because I am personally very happy because it's a Monday and I don't have to go to work, and I'm really working. I'm really working towards my goal of keeping every day as a Sunday or a weekend on my business. And yeah, just briefly introduce yourself and tell us about your journey and why you started at Ikra.
First of all, thank you so much for having me. Hi, everyone. My name is Ikra. I'm originally from Pakistan, now living in Texas, USA with my family. And I have been doing this business for past 2.5 years. I'm a stay-at-home mother, but as Rajeshwari said that I have been working as a teacher for 5 years. Then I moved to USA and I switched my career. I worked in hospitality industry as well, but after my maternity leave, I didn't go back to my job because I didn't like to send my daughter to daycare because she was just 3 months old when I had to go back to job. So that's why I decided and I will to do something from home, and I was looking for some online options. And I tried some I applied for some jobs as well, but those jobs were customer services jobs, and I have to spend 8 to 9 hours to do those kind of jobs. So that's why I decided to do something that I can do on my own pace. Then I started this business, this amazing business opportunity. I saw this amazing business opportunity. I started this business, and here I am after like 2.5 years um, doing this business successfully from home. I can spend time with my daughter as well, and now she's 3 years old now. So
Wow,
yeah.
wow. That's really good. I mean, I can completely understand because I would say it's a truly a blessing for new moms, like the way you said you had the decision in your hand, right?
Mhm.
That you and then this, of course, this business is a blessing for people who really want to be home and then take care of the kids. When my kids were young and when I was working, I
Mhm.
had no choice. And then I did the same thing of leaving my kids when they were in 3 months or a newborn, either with when my parents were
Mhm.
there or my in-laws were there to support me, or I had a stay-at-home mom, or a stay-at-home nanny to take care of my kids when they were really young. But I really wish like we had this kind of an option around that time.
Yeah.
Because it's so critical for us to be with the little kids, especially when they are at the young age. It's a
Mhm.
very important to nurture them and first hand watch all the milestones. That's very precious, is what I would say.
Mhm.
And I'm so glad that you took that leap of faith and bold decision to
Mhm.
start the business, and you are absolutely thriving in it. Very happy for you, Ikra.
Thank
And in
you.
my case, of course, I'm in a different stage of my life. I really wanted to. I'm doing this as my plan B,
Mhm.
so that I can secure my family's future
Mhm.
and travel, because my parents are aging, and I
Mhm.
really wanted to have that flexibility to go visit them whenever I want to do, without asking for leave or worrying about the expenses and whatnot. International travel, you very well know, like how much it
Yeah.
costs, and then the flexibility to go whenever we want to go, right? So that is those are all some of my driving factors, and absolutely loving it because I chose the right business, or rather the business chose me, I would say.
Yeah.
And then working towards that goals. So having said that, let's ground ourselves on what is our business, and when you saw it, were you skeptical about it, and what was the driving factor for you to take action?
So first of all, I would like to mention that I was skeptical as well because I think skepticism is natural
Yep.
when we see something new, and when we are going to start something new. We are skeptical. Everyone, I guess skepticism is natural, but we should do research. At least we should take action, see
Mm-hmm.
the opportunity. if we don't take action, we won't know what is on the other side.
Yes.
So that's like I was skeptical too. I registered on my mentor's website to get the information, and I saw the webinar twice, live
Mm,
webinar, because I was doing my research at how many people like joining this webinar, and every time different people were presenting. So that's why
mhm,
I decided it's something like this business looks legit. And then I when I paid the membership fee, I saw the community, the number of peoples that we at that time we were 140K plus business owners
mm,
in our community. Right now we are 257K.
yeah.
So at that time when I saw the number of the people in this community, I said, no, this is legitimate business. And the main thing, when I saw that the people were paying taxes, then I decided that I have to take action. I did my research, I did my due diligence, and I started this business. So
Mhm.
uh, the next thing I would like to know, what is our business. So our it's a digital marketing business where we don't need to sell or promote any product.
Yeah.
We use social media to help, like we use social media to promote our business platform, and we help people to start their business. We provide them all the tools, training, mentorship, coaching, everything they need to set up and start their business. So it's a
Mhm.
plug and play system, and you can say business in a box. So
Yep.
you need to take action, join the business, and plug the system. That's all.
Yep.
And yeah, like my reason to start this business was very strong for me, because I didn't want to go back to job and leave my daughter in someone else's care. That's why I decided
Mhm.
start this business. So this one thing made me to take action. So I guess we all have a reason to start, we just need to take action.
Yes, yes, very well said. And then I really like the word business in a box. So I all I would say is the heavy lifting is already done for us.
Exactly.
The complete market research is done for us, right? Because if anybody wants to start online, of course, we have to do a lot of research to understand what is the right company to work with, whether they will give the commissions or not, whether they will fold after a few years. You never know, but all those things are already done for us. Heavy lifting is done thanks to our one platform. It's almost 80% of the work is done. All we have to do is just plug in ourselves. The most important thing is taking action.
Mhm.
As far as we all have a strong why, that will drive us to take a decision. Of course, everybody are skeptical, especially when it comes to online, because it's but now the world is going digital. We have driverless cars, things are changing a lot, and still it's, and then we have to be careful, but that doesn't mean that we have to stop from
Mhm.
exploring what it is and take action, and then understand, especially ours is completely a risk free process to explore further, right? So those are all the things even I was pondering when I saw this business, and my drive was very important, that I need to have a strong and sustainable plan B for me to work towards my goal, and that was
Mhm.
my drive to start the business. All right, so that was great, Ikra, and so there are so many highlights in our business. What is that? It's going to be very hard for you to tell me what you like the most, but let's give it a shot. Tell me what is that you like, really like the most in our business.
So yeah, as you already mentioned, that there are so many things that we like in a business, but for like I like the most the flexibility,
Mm-hmm.
the time freedom, because I'm a mom, stay at home mom, and I have a toddler. So I have to manage my business around her schedule.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I like the flexibility, the way that I can work on my own pace. I don't need to wake up early in the morning, like
Wake
as
up to
we
the
do
alarm
in a
clock, right? Wake up to the alarm clock. I do.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
whenever I have time, I spend usually 2 to 3 hours in a day. I give 2 to 3 hours to my business. So I can first of all, I would like to mention that I can spend quality time with my daughter.
Hmm.
I can witness her milestones because of this business, and this business gives us flexibility of time. Like, we don't have a boss, we are our own boss. So that's why I like this part of the business. And the other thing, I like the automation, because whenever we are outside enjoying weekend, like we have long weekend in USA and Canada.
Mm-hmm.
So we yesterday I was having fun with my family, my friends. So my business runs on the automation, and I
Yes.
got inquiries from the people, and they register on my website. So this is the power of automation, that
Mm-hmm.
we can do whatever we want, and our business still running in the background. So I
Mm-hmm.
like these two, you can say, the
Yeah.
features or fun perks of our business. But there are so many.
Yep.
We
Yeah, that's very true. And for me also, the flexibility is one thing that I really like, and something that in our business, the beauty of it is like we can do it on our own pace.
exactly.
Nobody is breathing down my neck to say, "Did you do this? Did you do that?
Mhm.
Did you meet the quota?" Or nobody is bossing me around, right? So I get to choose what I want to do, when I want to do, and how I want to do on my own pace and schedule. That's the best part I really like, especially working full time with kids, taking family care of family. Even I usually spend like 1 to 2 hours in a day. That's unfocused, I mean, very focused, 1 to 2 hours in a day is very important to spend time on the business, to work towards what we want to do, right? So that's the even for me, flexibility is the most. And if I want to add one more, that's meeting beautiful people through the business. That's another thing, because I can boldly say wherever I go, I have someone that I know in my business that I can meet, right? So it is more of like becoming like a bonded a family bond, I would say, like meeting people. Even though we work online, when we meet in person, it doesn't feel like we are meeting in person.
Yeah.
I was in San Diego for the convention. It was so amazing to meet all those business owners in person. So that's the other part I really like. Okay, so what are just tell us about what we want to do. People might be watching and then they're still skeptical. What are the steps that they can follow to explore the business, and why
Mhm.
do we keep it that way? Because a lot of people come and ask me, why don't you tell me everything, right?
Yeah.
So give us your guidance there.
So I would give an example. Whenever we want to apply for a job, first of all, we have to go to the office or the department you want to do the job. You have to apply there. You have to submit your resume, your application. Then they will call you for an interview. After your interview, they will decide you want. They will give you the job or not. Like, it's,
Mm-hmm.
it's a procedure. So same goes to our business. We have steps to do the like to give you the information. First step is, we can't give you the all the information at once. So there are some steps we have to follow the system, because we have a system. So if we don't follow the system, you and the other people who are asking about the business, if they don't follow the system, they will not get all the information.
Yeah.
So that's why the first step is to register on our website. And then after registering on our website, you will get an email from our system, and you can watch the free webinar. There is a link to watch the free webinar in that email. So you can watch the free webinar. You can watch detailed webinar. 90-minute webinar is detailed webinar, and we have a summary video webinar as well. It's 20-minute webinar. You can watch both. The third step is to you can join our business information groups. We have our groups. You can join our groups for 15 days, and then do your due diligence, explore the community. If you like the business model, and if you want to explore more, Then there is a 30 days trial period. You can take that 30 days trial period by paying 149 USD, which is
Mhm.
fully refundable within 30 days, and it's one time membership fee.
Yep.
So they like, we are giving you a 30 days trial period, and I guess other businesses, if you want to start like Amazon and eBay and other businesses, they don't give you 30 days money back guarantee, and they
Yeah.
don't do the 30 days trial period. So this is the best part, that we have 30 days trial period. We have groups. You can in those groups you can see our income, our success stories, tax details that we file our tax on our income.
Mhm.
So there are some steps. So we have and three simple steps. You can get all the information by following these three steps. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, very well said, Ikra. I mean, my simple answer is like, again, bits and pieces is not going to help you anyone. All we are trying to do is empower the person inquiring about the business with more information, so that they themselves can research and make an informed decision. So if you, it's not like you have to hear from someone to make a decision. You are given all the details, the decision is on your hand, and you have your own time to do the research. So it's not like you tell I will do, right? It's kind of a thing. It's, you're an entrepreneur, so when you're researching about a business, you'll have to have the complete details for you yourself to make an informed decision whether it's a right fit for you or not. Not everybody will be a fit, and not everybody will be want to do the business, but taking that action and then understanding the completely researching about it is very important than just staying on the fence and not and still thinking whether it is the right stuff or not, right? That's all I would say. And I see Chandra is watching us. Thank you so much, Chandra, for taking time to watch. He's saying, great job, ladies. Appreciate your time and watching the interview for us. All right. So that's about it. Thank you so much, Ikra, for taking your Memorial Day weekend and inspiring the people all around the globe watching us. And so, if
Thank you for inviting me.
definitely. So, if any of you have any questions, just feel free to register on my website or on ICRA's website with a valid email address, so that we will send you a webinar link, and then you can watch through the steps, ask any questions that you may have, and then just help us to help you follow the process. As Ikra mentioned, like it's a very simple three-step process that we follow. Start with a complimentary webinar. If you want to take interest, take the 30-day refundable risk-free trial. Further explore the business model. You will have all the information in your hand to make the decision. Ask the right questions, and we are here to help you get started. All right. So thank you, everyone. Have a great whatever the reminder of the weekend that you have, and enjoy your holiday. And I'll come back again with another inspiring talk series with another inspiring business owner. All right. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.